Welcome to the very first episode of Cooking with the Sims.
Today on the menu, we actually have dessert.
Now let me tell you one thing about us. We love some dessert, okay? Now let me tell you how we stumbled upon this recipe, right? We were actually out on a date. You know, we were sitting at the table, right? We were eating our food and the waiter came about and the waiter said, hey, can I get you all maybe a dessert? And usually we say, nah, we okay, but we looked at each other. We said, yeah, we feeling some dessert, right? And we ordered this thing off the menu, right? It was actually it has a brownie at the bottom.
A warm brownie.
Oh, a warm brownie. Some cold ice cream on the top of that. Then after that, they even drilled some
chocolate syrup.
Some chocolate syrup on the top. And listen, it was really, really good. It was so good that we went back a few times. But pretty soon, started to hit our pockets a little bit, all right? Just being honest with you. And we said, you know what? While we at the store making groceries, right?
Whatever that means.
Right? We at the store making some groceries. We said, you know what? How about we get the stuff to make that? That way we can make it anytime that we want and we can probably make it even better, okay? And not only that, we can teach it to our people so that you don't have to go out there and break your pockets, all right? So listen, what we are gonna do in this video, we're gonna take you on a step-by-step tutorial. We're gonna show you how to prepare everything. We're gonna show you everything you need to get from the store. We're gonna show you how much it costs, right? So that way, when you turn this video off, you're gonna have literally no questions. You can go get it, you can make it, and then you can surprise one of your loved ones with this dessert.
Well, let's get right to it. The first thing that you need is a mug.
Some mugs. Hey, man, where can I get a mug like that right there from?
Well, I don't know where this came from, but they have them at Dollar Tree.
Okay, so Dollar Tree. So your mug is gonna be what, about $1? All right, cool.
I even held up the right one, the missus.
Hey. The very next thing you're gonna get is these brownies right here. They are called Duncan Hines Perfect Size for One, okay? But I believe it's 4 of them that come in here. So these are $2.50. By the way, in no way, shape, or form are we sponsored by any of these products, but let's say Duncan Hines. Duncan Hines. Duncan Hines. You know, if you want to do some business, just hit us in an email, all right? We'd love to advertise for you.
What's the email? The
email is going to be soulsgottabesaved@gmail.com because, listen, all souls got to be saved, even the souls that's chewing on these Duncan Hines.
The next thing you need is a tablespoon. You can get a whole pack for 88 cents at Walmart.
Okay, what if I don't have a Walmart in the area, and what if my grandma who normally take me, what if she not at home right now?
Well, your grandma, she probably has a tablespoon.
Right, okay. So what can they find? Is that like sitting on the table or something?
Look in the drawer.
Okay, look in the drawer. It's going to be in there. All right. The very next thing that you're going to need you're not gonna need any green beans. Here we go. Let's sit right here. The next thing you're gonna need is some vanilla ice cream. Okay. Now listen. Now if you wanna, go the Bluebell route, what's that? $2.50. Okay. This right here is $2 even. That's right, $2 even. That means you can go there with 8 quarters, right? Or you could bring 2 $1 bills. Listen, it's your choice. We chose this one because it's obviously the cheapest, but it still does the job. So once again, this is $2 even. Don't worry about the green. Don't get the green beans. You just get vanilla ice cream, $2.
The last thing we need for the top of everything is chocolate syrup. $1.58 at Walmart. You
got your mug right there. You got your brownies right there, man. You got your, what kind of spoon? Tablespoon? Tablespoon? Tablespoon. And you got your ice cream right there. Gotta have your chocolate syrup.
So let's get started.
All right.
First, we're gonna open
that thing up for them. There we go.
Remember, there's 4 of these in there. Okay?
All right.
If you're using scissors, make sure you know what you're doing. Don't clip the fingers.
That's right. Hey, what about them vitamins over there you got? Who them vitamins for?
These are yours. These are mine.
All right, cool. I take them every night. You take yours every night. We take them at night or in the morning. We take them in the night, huh?
Night.
We take them at night.
Anyways, we're gonna pour this into our mug.
All right.
And I'm gonna be doing 2 at a time.
Why you gotta pour it into the missus first? Why you can't pour it to the mister first?
Ladies first. I'll warm yours up first if you'd like.
Hey, okay. That's cool with me.
Okay. And put this in the trash.
All right. And that's another thing. Make sure you put it in the trash. Don't leave it out on the counter, because, you know, your grandma might come in there, you know, and be highly upset, you know. All right. What's the next thing, baby?
All right. Next thing is we have to put 2 tablespoons of water.
All right. So that's 2 tablespoons. Cool.
So, hope you have your water on.
All right.
Hope you paid your bill this month.
That's right. If you didn't pay your bill, just go knock next door, man. They'll give you 2 of them tablespoons. All right. 2 tablespoons. Oh, good job, baby.
Thanks.
All right. Let's see here.
Next, we're gonna mix it on up.
Okie doke.
I did the misses first again.
All right. All right, as you can see, it's really, really, really thick. Stir it up one more time for me, baby. We want y'all to feel like you're right here, man, because you are. You part of the family, man.
Okay.
Dang, baby, that's kind of loud. What if they got earbuds in?
My bad.
All right. All right, here you go. You want me to do a taste test?
Sure.
Okay. Do a taste test. Let's see how it tastes. This without it even being in the microwave, you know.
Gross.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Now we're gonna put it in the microwave.
All right, cool. That's my favorite part right here. Putting
Take
it
our
in the
cover-
microwave. Okay.
Cover plate out.
I want to leave mine in. I want to put mine on top of mine. How would you saying?
No. It says 55 seconds,
Okay.
but we just usually do minutes.
Okay, cool. I like to go about 5 seconds above. Sometimes in life it's good to go above and beyond, you know?
Above and beyond.
Above and beyond.
See, I did the mister first.
Oh, okay. Look at me. Checking me out. Fresh out the microwave. Let's take a look at exactly how they look right now. Take one of my vitamins right quick in case y'all don't mind.
Gummies.
Gotta get my vitamins in, you know. All right, so as you can see, it's very, very, very thick, right? So, next thing we need to do is scoop the ice cream and put the ice cream in it, okay? I know it sounds simple, okay? But some people might not understand, so we want to break these things down so that we all understand how to make somebody a healthy treat. Well, not healthy.
Healthy?
I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. I don't know about healthy. I meant to say happy treat. Because you never know. It may be your grandmother's birthday tomorrow. You might have a friend whose birthday is tomorrow, right? And you may say, you know what? I want to make them something from my kitchen, okay?
I think you have the ice cream upside down. It's already open.
You open it. You already opened it, but it's already for real?
Yesterday.
Okay. All right, hold on. Let me close this thing back up. We keep it rolling.
Oh, gosh.
Hey, we keep it real over here, you know? Hold up. How this thing closed? Okay. Hey, bloopers are part of life, you know? Flip this thing back over. I still got my scoop though. You notice it didn't fall, huh? Alright, here we go. Alright.
Talk too soon.
Kids don't try this at home, okay? So you see we got one heaping. That's what they call it. That's what they mean when they say heaping. We got one heaping scoop. Scoop. In there.
You gotta put your finger.
Yeah, but you gotta
Put your finger on my ice cream though.
Hey, I'm just saying, all it touched was the vitamin though. It's
Okay.
healthy.
Okay.
Nothing wrong with healthy ice cream. Well, I guess it's healthy now that it got a little bit of vitamin in it. So that's one heaping and that's two regulars. You want another heaping or you want a regular?
A heaping, please.
Heaping? All right. I bet you can't spell heaping backwards.
I don't want to. I don't need to.
I bet you can't spell heaping backwards. All right. You want a little more ice cream?
No, sir.
Alright, I'm gonna put just a little bit more on mine because I'm kind of feeling it today. Alright, the very next thing we're gonna do, is throw this right here in the trash, okay?
No, in the
We're
sink,
gonna put this in the
please.
sink. Yeah, we're gonna put this in the sink. Run a little bit of water, speed up the process. Alright, ain't me telling y'all all my secrets. Alright, so balance this on here. Boom. Next thing we got.
What kind of dishwashing liquid y'all use over there?
We use this little stuff right here. We got the little baby one because it's so expensive, alright? So, we got the Dawn though, okay? We like the Dawn because it's strong, alright? But when it get low, All you gotta do is mix it with a little bit of water. And she about another week.
I usually throw that in the trash and get another one.
Alright, here we go.
Why are you doing that?
This is what you're gonna do in here. Now, right here is where your creativity comes in, alright? It don't matter how ugly that your scoops look if they're not in a circle like the restaurant, but right here is what people pay attention to. So you can write your name on there. You can write your alphabets. You can write whatever you want. You like that one, baby? How you want me to do yours? Circles, squares?
Whatever.
Let me write SGBS on here. Yes.
Not on top of each other. One spot of chocolate.
You have one strong side. Eat that on the left side of your mouth. Have all kind of cavities.
That's enough.
That's enough. What about a little bit on the bottom right
No,
here?
that's good. Thank you.
Overflow. All right. Let me put just a tad bit on more. Oh, got a little bit on there.
That means you didn't need any more.
That's a drop right there. All right. So put a drop on there.
Looking good.
Looking good? Man. Well, let me scrape that little drop out for the camera right quick. All right. That might be a good thumbnail. I got to get that out the way for the thumbnail. What y'all think, man? Let us know. Let us know. And here we go. It is time for the taste test. I know you're probably wondering how this is going to taste. Baby, we're going to rate this on a scale 1 to 10. Okay?
Well, I'm going ahead of you.
All right. Hold on. The people want to, they want to see what you scooped out. You went all the way to the bottom?
Baby, of course.
We got to show them if we're going all the way to the bottom. They want to know. All right, cool.
Ready?
It's good?
It's good.
Oh, okay. Okay. Go ahead. Give him one more scoop, baby.
No.
That might have been a lucky scoop. Scoop on the side I put the S on.
I don't know.
I put the S right there. You don't see the S?
No, I don't see the S.
Look right there. You see S?
No.
It's a little S. Look right there.
Okay. Well, I'm just going to scoop right here.
Look at a little bit of S right there. Okay. All right. So listen. Honestly, on a scale 1 to 10. Now, you could use 1.1. You could use all the points. All right. We're gonna be a little strict on it. We're gonna use the point system.
I think it's about a 9 because we're recording this video and it's starting to melt.
Okay,
But it would have been a 10 if we weren't.
But look though, 9.0, 9.1, 9.2,
9.0.
9.0, 9.00, 9.01.
Really?
I'm just saying.
0, 0, 0,
Okay.
0, 0, 0, 0.
Okay. With one of them lines on top of zero, that means it keep
No.
going forever. All right. Let me do my taste test here. My thing about the milk.
Hurry.
All right, here we go. Let me do my taste test. Y'all want to see mine? Uh-oh. I'm dripping stuff all on the floor.
Okay.
All right. Y'all want to see mine? All right, here we go. We got to show them inside. They want to see
Baby,
where I'm
they already
scooping
saw it.
it. Baby, they want to see where I'm scooping at. They may want to scoop it in the same angle. Notice I'm going at a 74-degree angle. All right, here we go. Man, that look good. Okay.
How is it?
Hey. It's a home run right here, okay?
Okay, what would
I know
you
we're not
rate
playing
it?
baseball, but I just felt like saying it's a home run.
Yeah, but what would you
I
rate
might
it?
just start running around, huh?
What would you rate it 1 to 10?
On a scale 1 to 10. Give me 1 second. Let me think back quick.
You don't have a second because mine is melting.
I took my ice cream. Give me 1 second. I would say, on a scale 1 to 10, honest review. it was better. I can see it on my peripheral. I just see it just dripping. All right. On a scale 1 to 10, I would give this a 9.428. Okay. You want to know why I said 9.428?
No.
9.428. The only reason.
Because it's melting.
Because it's melting. But this is some good stuff. Hey.
Thank you.
Hey. This is really good, man. Now listen. Now, how you get to eat that? You know, my brother. So.
Remember at the beginning of our marriage when you ate all my cake?
Payback, huh?
Payback.
Hey, y'all remember at the very beginning of the video when we said that these cups were like $1? Well, some people may not have $1, so you can use like a styrofoam cup, or you can use like a bowl or anything that you have, like, you know, laying around your home or your apartment or anything like that. So you don't have to have one of these cups, all right? Those are real good stuff. Don't say we never helped y'all out, all right?
Right.
Don't say we never helped y'all out. We're gonna give y'all all of our kitchen secrets, all right?
As you can see, we're all done. Was it good?
All the way good. It was pretty good, you know. Actually, I got a little corner right here. Let me get that.
There's nothing on that.
Oh, you see the little, look at this little big piece right there. So you saying they don't have a little?
No, it's done. It's done. Anyways,
Pretty
it would have
good,
been very easy to just get an envelope or a box of brownie mix and just make a whole dozen, but we just really didn't need a whole dozen hanging out around here. We
Right.
probably would have just eaten them all in one setting. So this single serving was great. Also, our oven doesn't work, but it'll be fixed in a few days.
That's right. Hey, I got a question. I know you say that that the dozen was gonna be hanging out around here. I'm saying what the dozen was gonna be watching movies or something, like how they was gonna be hanging out. But nah, like she said, you know, if we have 12, we'll end up eating all 12, okay? So we feel like we did ourselves a favor and got the 4. So thank you so much for tuning in to this video. We're gonna put our cups down, all right, so we can loosen our hands up so we'll be able to properly properly stand in front of y'all without things in our hands. So listen, my wife and I are so grateful for you all, and we just want to say thank you once again for taking time out of your day to tune into this cooking episode, which is Cooking with the Sims. And listen, now if you have any type of meals or anything that you want us, any type of suggestions, feel free to drop those in the comment box below, because believe me when I tell you, we are ready to read those, right? And listen, we're gonna go through them, get all the prices, get all the information, go get the ingredients, come back, cook it, and make it really, really, really simple for you, okay? The very, very next thing that we need you all to do is to hit the subscribe button. That way you'll be notified every single time that a video is uploaded so that you won't miss out on any, okay? The very next thing we want to share with you is if you make these brownies, be sure to tag us on Instagram, okay? D Sims Motivation, Cassie L. Sims. Make sure you tag us, because listen, we want to see them and we want to be able to repost them, right? And we want to be able to talk about it and laugh about it and say, somebody actually made our dish, okay? So listen, that would really mean a lot to us. Last but not least, don't forget about our clothing line, all right? Souls gotta be saved, okay? If you would like a shirt, do us a quick favor. To our email, we need you to send us your name, your phone number, because yes, we want to give you a call, okay? But if you're not really a phone type of person and you just want to text, we understand and we'll shoot you a text, okay? But we would really love to talk to you on the phone and thank you for placing your order, okay? So once again, that's your name, that's your phone number, your address, okay? And we want you to send all of this to soulsgottabesaved@gmail.com, okay? And listen.
Missed one thing.
What is it?
The size.
Oh, okay. We look forward to hearing from you all. We love you all, and we will see you all in the very next episode of Cooking with the Sims.